Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the noms melty pop, I think. Okay, so let's get started for unboxing this. Okay guys, I am also doing this with my little brother, so say hi little brother. Hi. His voice is a little weird. I don't know why. He might have a sore throat or something. So let's get unboxing. Hi. Okay, so this tape is a little hard to peel. Okay, guys, I have a little quiz for you. Which toy factory made noms? You don't have to tell me. Keep it in your brain. Just keep it in your brain. Which one do you think it is? Meanwhile, you think I'll unbox this. This is super hard to open, guys. Okay, guys, I think I almost got this layer off. Okay, now I need to get this layer off. I'll just peel this thing off. This is a nice little black background. Okay, so here are the toys, and there are small pieces in here. Here is the collector's guide. This is a piece of fabric or something, or a piece of paper. Here are the instructions. I'll read them later. Here is the collector's guide. Everybody, let's get opening. So here are the ones you can collect. Let's see which ones I got. So I got this star, kind of star. Here are a piece of cardboard. Let's see who I got. I got this purple thing, and I also got this blue star. Let's see which one I got. Okay, so I got let's see, little bites. Why are they not on the collector's guide? They must be over here. I got Midnight Cloud and Very Bright. Okay, these two are super special. I really like them. I'll keep them on my desk. Okay, let's see, where is that pop? Here is the pop. Let me see the instructions how to play this. Okay guys, I popped the lid off this little guy. Now I just gotta peel this tape. It is slime. OMG. Now we need little brother can take a look now. Here is the cap, guys. Is so cool. Now let's just get this out of there. Okay guys, I got that out of there. Now what do we need to do? Sog it. What's this? A slime? Hashtag awesome. Okay, so what do I do with this? I'll read the instructions. Okay guys, now I got it to work. I peeled this plastic off. Now we need to wait for 15 to 20 minutes before we can see who is inside.
A bomb.
See you in 15 to 25 minutes. Bye guys. Okay guys, this soon will melt. And it will fall into this, and then we can see who's the mystery character. See you in 25 minutes. Oh my gosh, guys. This is completely melting. This part is like slime. And it has just been 1 minute. I can't believe this. So cool. Okay, guys. And let's just move this aside. I want to talk to something else. Why do I put a pumpkin on the background? Do you know, guys? Because it is close to Halloween. Okay, now let's wait for some more time for this to melt. And guys, there's already a huge crack in there. So cool. It's only been 2 minutes or something. Okay, see you in a few minutes or 10, 12 minutes, whatever. Okay guys, this is 5 minutes later. My little brother used a toothpick to make it look sad. This is a girl or a boy? What do you think, guys? What do you think, guys? What do you think, guys? What is it? What is it? It is a random applause boy. Boy, it's a boy. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay, guys, I waited that time. Now let's unbox. Look at this slime. Ew. And my father was talking in the middle of my video. Okay, let's get all that slime in there. Let's get all that slime out. This is so easy to open. Okay. Unscrew. Yes, we got a unicorn. Let's just get the slime off her. Look at that. It's a unicorn. Okay, let's put all the slime there. Look, it is an adorable unicorn. Okay, thank you for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that like button. And I will see you next time on my channel. Bye, guys.
Bye.